This is Jen Warren, Marketing Director for Homeschool Iowa, and I'm here to welcome you to our week of Kitchen Science with Homeschool Iowa. So I am a homeschool mom of two. My kids are in 5th and 7th grade, and we enjoy homeschooling. I'm a science nerd, so I love science experiments and kitchen science stuff. On top of that, I'm a Sunday school teacher. I taught Sunday school for over 20 years, and I like to bring science into class for object lessons and different things like this. And so there's a lot of really fun, easy stuff we can do with just normal stuff we have around the house. And so this week we're going to do some of those kitchen science experiments. This is one of the most basic ones you can do. It's one my kids have a lot of fun with, especially on long, cold winter days or long, rainy, obnoxious days, or days when we're just all cooped up together and we can't really get out. So this one, you really only have to have two basic ingredients: baking soda and white vinegar. And they're both pretty cheap and inexpensive, and they're fun. So Brandt's gonna do the first one. If you've ever done a volcano, you already know about these, but here's some different ways to maybe do them. So we're gonna start with the basics. Some baking soda. Okay, well, you wanna make sure you have a container, and then don't stop pouring fast, okay? Whoa, okay. And whoosh, you get an overflow. So there's a couple of ways to make it a little more fun. One of them is to add some soap to the mix. Okay, Brant, dump some more here. Okay, dump some more vinegar in there. And that makes your bubbles bubblier. So that's that. Then the other thing we like to do is compare the difference between like a wide open container like this one or a narrower container. So we're gonna do, this one is narrower and this one is narrower. So we need to add some baking soda. Both of these have some vinegar in them already because we've been playing with this for a little bit today. So put some baking soda in this one. And then also in here, and we'll see the difference. Brant, are you going to pour into the big container or the small container? The narrow container. Here, you're going to do the narrow one? Mm-hmm. Okay, we're going to do it together. Are you ready? Mm-hmm. All right. So, if it's a more compressed container, it'll pop up a lot faster. This one has some bubbles, some soap, and some blue food coloring. So it gave us a little bit of color contrast there.